CMA India versus CMA US बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है हर स्टूडेंट का when you've thought of CMA because आप जैसे ही CMA गूगल करते हो you suddenly see two qualifications and you're confused. In today's video I'm going to tell you everything about CMA India and CMA US and what are the various differences between both these courses. Stay tuned. CMA India is very Indian context. बहुत पुराना डिग्री है, बहुत vintage है. It's been around since a very long time and it's a thorough Indian context qualification. Okay. Whereas CMA US is US based and it's got global context. Secondly, both these qualifications can typically begin after your class 12. CMA India is awarded by a body called ICMAI, which is Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Okay, इसको ICWA भी कहा जाता था पहले. While CMA US is awarded by a body called IMA, which is Institute of Management Accountants, headquartered in the US. CMA India करने को करीबन आपको 4 से 4.5 साल लगते हैं to become a member, क्योंकि प्रोसेस ऐसा है कि आपको 3 लेवल के एग्जाम्स देने, फाउंडेशन, इंटर एंड फाइनल, and you need to do a mandatory 3 years of articleship, जिसमें से 15 months must be done before you finish your CMA final and balance can be done after that. So ये पूरा प्रोसेस होते होते आपको 4-4.5 साल लग जाते हैं and then you become a member. As compared to that, CMA US, the process is a lot easier. आपको typically 2 parts of the exam देनी है, which 8 to 12 months में generally students का हो जाता है. फिर आपको 2 साल का work experience चाहिए and आपका graduation खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. And there you are, you've got the title of a CMA US. CMA India में you learn across the 20 papers a variety of subjects जैसे आप screens पे देख रहे हो, accounting, financial management, costing जिसका main focus है, direct taxes, indirect taxes, auditing, strategy, तो बड़े variety के subjects पढ़ते हो आप. On the other hand, CMA US जैसे मैंने कहा बहुत focused है, तो part 1 is basically around financial planning, financial analytics, you know, a lot of costing, and part 2 is around strategic financial management. तो ये बहुत focused degree around financial management and decision making. CMA India में एग्जाम साल में 2 बार होता है, which is June and December. अभी भी ये पेपर पेन एग्जाम है. Compared to that, CMA US के एग्जाम्स साल में काफ़ी बार होते हैं. So you have a window in Jan, Feb, you have a window in May, June, and you have a window in September, October, and all these exams are completely online. CMA India का pass rate is difficult, so it's typically between 10 to 20%. Compared to that, CMA US का pass rate relatively higher है, it's anywhere between 40 to 50% globally. CMA India का overall fees अगर मैं पकड़ूँ तो there is a fees you pay the institute and then there is a fees you pay your coaching provider. सब मिला लो के roughly 2 से 2.5 लाख का investment होता है. Compared to that, CMA US में again there is something that you pay IMA, which is typically your entrance fee, membership fee, exam fee, and you have a coaching provider that will coach you for part 1 and part 2. सब मिला के you can say करीबन 130 to 1.5 lakhs में आपका पूरा कोर्स हो जाता है. CMA India, you can look at packages once you finish the qualification upwards of 6 to 8 lakh of rupees, and there are a variety of roles, whether it's as a cost accountant, whether it's as a cost auditor, GST, income tax, valuation, strategy, so variety of roles available because आप इतने subjects पढ़ते हो. On the other hand, CMA US आपके subjects बहुत focused around financial planning and decision making. तो यहाँ पे roles are around financial planning and analysis, internal audit, corporate finance, etc. यहाँ पे packages are typically 4 to 5 lakhs. Again, it depends on the candidate and the organization, but that's a broad range that you can think about. Having watched this video, if you're still unsure कि आपको CMA India करना चाहिए या CMA US करना चाहिए, then we are here to help. Okay, write to us or call us on the numbers flashing and we'll counsel you. Good luck.